Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma reiterates the government's commitment to promote the welfare of women, especially those with disabilities. Secretary Coloma stressed this as the nation marks Women's Month. This report.
The Pink 4 project is only a parcel of the many government-initiated projects meant for lady commuters to commemorate Women's Month. The government stands firm in its commitment to uphold the welfare of women. And if it were up to Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma, women with disabilities should be prioritized.
Patuloy na tinataguyod ng pambansang pamahalaan ang kapakanan at kagalingan ng mga kababaihan bilang pagdiriwang ng International Women's Month. Itinatanghal natin ang kadakilaan at kabutihan ng ating mga ina at ang buong kababaihan sa ating bansa dahil sila ay malaki ang ambag sa pagpapatatag ng ating mga pamilya na siyang batayan ng lipunan at sa pagpapaunlad din ng ating bansa.
Senator Loren Legarda has long been vying for the protection of women, children, and persons with disabilities. For Legarda, respect for others is also essential.
Hindi dapat umiral ang ganyang maling pananaw. Ang kabalintunaan noon ang dapat nating itaguyod, yung kadakilaan at kabutihan ng kababaihan.
Alam ko na ang ating mensahe ngayon ay tungkol sa pagpalaganap ng issue ng gender equality. Ang ating pong gustong bigyan ng pansin ngayong araw na ito ay yung kahalagahan ng pangangalaga ng ating kalikasan, ang pagbibigay ng diin sa tinatawag nating DRR, disaster risk reduction, at yung ating pakakma ng ating kabuhayan sa CCA or climate change adaptation. Ang ating kapaligiran bilang inang kalikasan. So it's Mother Earth and it's our country, our nation. There must be a reason why our nation is called Inang Bayan. There must be a rationale why we call our Earth Inang Kalikasan. And that is because we women are nurturing. We are caregivers of the Earth.
Coloma and Legarda believe that disabilities have never been a hindrance for these women who excel in their chosen fields.
Sila ay nagsisilbing huwaran at ehemplo para sa ating mga kababaihan, yung mga kabataang naghahangad ng isang mabuting kinabukasan. Sila ay nagbibigay ng liwanag kung anong klaseng daan ang dapat tahakin tungo sa pagkamit ng kanilang mga pangarap.
As for the society, beyond religion and race, women deserve to be given respect.